Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the brake paddle position switch is located, two fuses will need to be checked. That's for the brake light switch, brake paddle position switch. We'll explain where to find them, where to buy cheap fuses relays from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So here we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage, guys. You have 2 fuse boxes, but we'll need to work on the fuse box that's right inside your cabin on the passenger side in the food well. Right here by that kick panel, you remove the plastic, and once you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses, relays. That way, guys, you will not waste your time and money on things you don't need. So let's go ahead and explain that now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So on your Ford vehicle specifically, guys, you will have different kinds of fuse boxes and relays. Let me show you now. For instance, this one right here, that's the front fuse box under the hood, and those could be really hard to find, expensive, overpriced. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price and quick shipping as well for your convenience. The fuses that we'll need to check for the brake light switch, or also known as brake paddle position switch. First fuse will be number 4, that 5M fuse right here, that's fuse number 4. And then we will need to find fuse number 14, which will be that fuse that's known as fuse number 15, because they go like that, 14, 15. Okay, so that fuse right here will need to be checked as well, guys. Those 2 fuses are for the brake paddle position switch. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.